Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 11 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today we need to make sure to get dressed in the morning, to be kind to ourselves, to do a quick 2-minute hot spot clean, to do a 5-minute room rescue, to spend 15 minutes decluttering because you can't organize clutter, to make sure to have a clean and shiny sink before bed, and to pick out an outfit that we're going to wear for tomorrow. Today, we're going to add to our control journals, so we'll need to set the timer for 15 minutes and start an inspirational page. On this page, you have to write down your favorite inspirational quotes or phrases. Flylady tip is to have inspirational quotes in your control journal because they help you to get rid of the blues. I personally borrowed my kids' coloring pencils and wrote the quotes in color because I love having a colorful page. But you can either write the phrases down or you can print off your favorite quotes and phrases off your computer. This is your control journal, so do what works for you. Some of my favorite phrases from Flylady's books are, "We do what we can today, and then we do a little more tomorrow." Baby steps. You're never behind, jump in where you are. You can't organize clutter. Laugh every day, even if it's at yourself. Make time for your personal joys. Housework done incorrectly still blesses your family. Good enough is good enough. Don't let your perfectionism stop your progress. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!